I'm dealing with the genesis of the workings of the governor of the kingdom is regeneration. So we cannot overemphasize it. Do you want me to shock you? Many people speak in tongues and they are not born again. Don't you see children of pastor, the way they practice preaching? You see one will stand like this and they'll be holding microphone. There is no microphone. They turn something to be microphone because they are the children of the altar. And some of them will be speaking in tongues. If you are deceived to think that is original, you are only stupid. The Holy Spirit can never come to a person that have not heard the gospel. We don't receive Holy Spirit by asking. We receive Holy Spirit through the hearing of the gospel. Please, am I communicating to you? I used to tell the Aladuras that the spirit that majority of them possess is not Holy Spirit. The spirit that prophesy in you that make you to commit sin. The spirit that makes you to do wonders and makes you to be deeper in sin. It's not Holy Spirit.